Because can we just talk about something very important? On a video enjoy playing video enjoy play that video. But can we just talk about this thing, this hidden agenda of amusu this hidden agenda of amusu na some of our Igbo brothers? Can we just talk about it? Because now this guy has been there on social media. Then also Kwananda Habia Sukulora Mbang Sibiko say Nabia with the accounting and one Makande Mbahato Lokura. A lot of people saw that video and a lot of people came against him. Imago the mother say Nokulo Onya Ojuka women, there was a divided mixed reaction. But I go which in everything match I'm making it. Jua Oyi. Now onye we magona oboni mo state the name na Azayo ministry name kwa na bia ona amasia. He was there last year during the end of the 100 days go fasting and prayer. This thing, he was there last year. He was among the few people that came for and he saw the massive development na bia and he backed it up. Even when others were saying a lot of things, he never looked down. Now this year Obuluzia the thing is very well. He decided on his own to kick off the gospel. Na gaga. Kito post to go video a couple of times, which I brought some of the videos to you people for you to see. Now guess what? People are coming after him. That why must he be posting Ebuka Obi? Why must he be the only woman as Igbo? 99.9% video in Igbo, the most state back when he use. 99% of the enemy attack. Now the question is, what is this agenda, propaganda, not in the midst of some of our Igbo brothers? Ichi this thing kita name now. Imanfuka big man na attack Christianity. Emwero a genuine big man na attack church. Starting from Ubikubana down to Jowizaza, down to the lowest big man Emma. To Atoezenupua, all of them they celebrate Christianity and they celebrate church. Then what is it this thing now in our common, in all this our lower level people? Kedi hene amazing. Emwolonyo katabilo meji. Emwolonyo kamanye by force. Imagonyo kamanye by force. Sibia where. Me to itonite decide ya. Itonite decide ya nemanjizoka. Leave it and move on with your life. Even the Ndoshina be crucified na Jesus, one had a choice to back down and ask for forgiveness, and one decided not to. It's a choice. Even one even Bible make everything, salvation is free, but it's not by force. It's the free. And when they decide to go no one harm and Jenny Gujo Ibo Kanko. Oh, when they say Nini Guadro, when they say no Comadro, when they say Kaidos Nebindo, how on a Nigerian wine on email. Why all these things centered on Christianity? Unana kwa half Muslim attack yao. There are over 20,000 Muslim worshippers in Enugu State as I'm talking to you today. Man, nobody has come to discriminate. Nobody has come to tell them saying no religion. Nobody is doing that. And they are not doing anything to the society, and they are not adding anything. Sort of getting convert more people naga. Convert more people naga. You say I'm not to go and make your findings. Man, no, that's by the way. And you go here when they encourage you when he decided you again. Because there is a saying that says that when a child grows up and decides not to serve the idols of his fathers, it shall be counted upon him as righteousness. So because Abraham no gide ben till over 70 years of his life. Born as Abraham until he converted to Abraham, to all those wasted 70 years plus enwere onye mụ ya until he left. So biko do and then this complete video ka unu nụ ihe nwanne ya nwoke na complain bitterly about ka ọ dịkwa.
Igbo kele m ndị Igbo ụbọchị mara ọnụ mma. Ndị Igbo vidio onyinye m na-eme taa, achọrọ m ịpụ ụzọ kelee mmadụ niile na-ashare vidio onyinye m, karịchaa ụmụnne anyị ndị nke m hụrụ today dị na ha kelere sị Chineke gozie unu rinne. Ụmụnne etekele m time na-eje na my comment section na-ahụ a lot of people na-akpọ onye nwe Imo iyi maka na ọ na-epromote Zion. Nwanne peji a onye nwe Imo page m dị here is my page. I'm gonna write to promote whatever I want to promote. And onye ọbụla ịhụrụ m love, I'm a promote onye to the last. But ịhụrụ onye nwe Imo she like my state, Imo State. I promote every good thing in my state. But ịhụrụ onye nwe Imo she like Zion, I promote every good thing Zion na-eme. Okwefu ihe ọbụla ihe ọma na-eme n'ala Igbo, otu onye nwe Imo she promote all ka my life she dị. Ị gbara m tiketi, gbara m plane m ji bịa Lagos, ekwughara m ụgwọ rum, amaghị m onye ewu gị bịa na comment section na-akpụ m eyi m ji promote Zion idiot. Onye ka ewu ji abịa na my comment edere m nonsense. Onye ụmụ ji eme ha ewu. Enwere a lot of people ndị m na-ablọkụọla. You nwere right to love what you like. Ebuka Obi is my brother. Onye Igbo be anyị. I love him. Nwebi ihe ọjọọ ji mejọọ m. Rather na o butere development na my own state n'ala Igbo, which I know thousands of Igbo people are working there. Ejelem je agbara my ticket bịa. You didn't buy ticket for me. Amaghị m onye ewu. Ịnọkọta bote a ga-ejuo m onye ka ekwanụ. Ọ bụrụ onye m love so much m na-epromote. Onye hụ na ndị Igbo need development. Ịma ha mmiri Igbo people na-arụ ọrụ na nga ụkpala. Ịma ụmụnne m ole karịa ewu ndị oshi because of Zion na nga ụkpala. Ha rụrụ ọrụ dị ya now. Morning, afternoon, night, they are busy. Ịma ndị mmadụ ole gaa ọhịa mebie kuru ha debe ha n'ime ọhịa ga ahụ anya ọzọ, but not develop. Were my own power, my own money, my own strength na-promote ya ga-ebịa na my comment section abịa dị nonsense. Unless you want me to block you. Anọkwa m iyi kere ga-ekpesị gị follow onye nwe Imo. Follow yi na-follow m nwekwu show. I'm not making money from this Facebook. I'm not making money from this Facebook. So ka happy iche na maybe na comment ga ji ndụ onye nwe Imo na ọ na-etire m nri na table. I'm not making nothing from this Facebook. So ka happy be there, I will unfollow you or let me see. I don't care. I love Ebuka Obi. I love ihe niile gbasara Igbo. I love Imo State too much. Ihe ọbụla gbasara my state, ihe ọbụla gbasara Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I bring my own power, my own money to promote it. So don't come to my comment section and get there nonsense. You don't know how much I buy tickets. You might go and hotel. I'm doing it to promote my own brother because I love Rubion and Menali. So don't come to my comment section because I will block you. And I will block you. So come location is I watch on you. Umunnem unu lie here megana go bal or the Ndigbo. May God keep protecting everybody on Homa. May God bless us and give us resources. God bless every one of you.